Ms. Musser. You have 3 minutes.
Good morning. I'm here today to bring to your attention a serious transparency and governance issue involving the Pima County Attorney's Office and its ongoing non-compliance with Arizona public records law. On July 30th of last year, nearly 6 months ago, I submitted a public records request seeking basic financial allocation and expenditure records from the County Attorney's Office. These are standard budget records that every county agency is required to maintain for budgeting, auditing, and reporting purposes. Over the past 6 months, I have received no documents, no timeline, and no partial production. Instead, I've received repeated statements that no records were available for months, and recent communication indicates that the office is only now attempting to receive its own financial records from other internal departments, and that no estimated completion dates can be provided. Requests for a schedule for production have been denied. Arizona law, ARS 39121 and 39121.01 requires that public records be open to inspection and that copies be furnished promptly. The statute does not set a fixed number of days, but Arizona courts have consistently held that promptly means without undue delay. And in Phoenix New Times versus Arpaio, the Court of Appeals made clear that agency workload, staffing issues, or internal processes do not justify prolonged or indefinite delay in producing these records. When the county attorney's office refuses to comply with state law, specifically prompt access as required under ARS 39121, it's not just a delay, it's a non-compliant Arizona statute, and it undermines the fundamental duty of that office, which is to uphold, interpret, and enforce the laws in this county. If the county attorney's office truly does not possess the financial records required for budgeting and audit compliance, that raises serious questions about internal controls, reporting, and fiscal oversight. If the records do exist and are being withheld, that raises equally serious questions about transparency and accountability. At this point, it's no longer just a public records issue. It's a governance issue that affects public trust, fiscal oversight, and the county's potential legal exposure.
Thank you.